I woke up last night, panicked. Time to put on the Driveshaft. For the radio, I went to Amazon and I've got the greatest Land Rover speakers. You ever wake up in the middle of the night before a big adventure? That happened to me last night. As you know, we've been struggling on the 95 5-speed for the I95, and I woke up last night panicked about the front drive shaft. There's nothing wrong with the front drive shaft. It seems to be doing fine, but I'm only using the vehicle for about 30 minutes at a clip, 40 on a good day. And I had this fear of the front drive shaft breaking loose and swinging into the transmission like they're known to do. The vehicle has about a 1-inch lift on it. And I started panicking. I didn't sleep very well. So we are going to put on a medium duty double cardan drive shaft for this. I've made a whole kit in my head last night. We're gonna get that done. And if it goes smooth, I'll see if I can get the radio in, but I don't care about the radio. I only care about fixing this drive shaft. Cue the intro. All right, this is the drive shaft that we're going to replace, and then up here is the transfer case output. We're going to pull those off. All right, my friends, here you go. You can see both of the drive shafts side by side. Time to put on the drive shaft. I feel a million times better knowing that is done. Now we can move on to the thing I came in to do today, was finish the radio, and my buddy Bill from Euro Parts and Overland sent us some door seals and some bits and bobs so we can clean up the dash a little bit. Hot diggity dog, I think I'm gonna be ready. For the radio, I went to Amazon and got their finest. It is a Apple CarPlay, so I can Bluetooth all the important things. Look at this jobby. My goodness. I'm a little bit older. Shut up, internet. I remember when we were doing car radios as a younger lad, wires everywhere, the big units be bouncing in the dash, and then you had to hook it up to your equalizer. And when you got to where you were going, you took the face of it off so nobody stole it. Now, 40 bucks, and it comes with Bluetooth. Hot diggity dog. Let's get it installed. Let's see if this works. That's a good sign. Right about now. Now that we have the radio up and running, I'm going to dig into a box that my buddy Bill from Euro Parts and Overland sent us. We got some door seals and the little bits and bobs to complete this truck. I am gonna make it, I'm gonna be on time, and I've got the greatest Land Rover speakers pumping out joyful music. Let's get the door seals done next. It'd be a bit of a puzzle trying to figure out which one's which. That's for a door. Oh boy. that that's done, final touches, little interior pieces. I don't even remember. Whoa, hot diggity dog. We got that. Get those on the car bill. Thank you very much. It did not show a broken bill. Oh, lovely. Our little whatever this is, somebody took a drill and drilled it out. We'll now get that looking factory fresh. And our ashtray is all broken. We'll swap that out. Thanks again, buddy. I appreciate it. Everybody hop on over, follow Bill, Euro Parts, and Overland. Super cool guy. All right, get these in and we can wrap up this video. Oh, so much better. All right, my friends, only two more things to do. One, make sure Bill's sticker is on. Bill, thank you again for sponsoring this trip. And two, come see me on Highway I-95.